Hi, this is Syed Putra. Welcome to my new house. So looking through on the Facebook and also looking through on the magazine, I found something that is very interesting on the design. So I was walking along and then finally I found the dream home concept, and I dashed into the office, and I met a very nice boss, which is Mr. Simon. Right, the reasons that I choose dream home concept is because that it's very near to my new house. So it's easy for me to do a feedback with Mr. Simon, and he know the taste, what I want, and especially when I just show a few things, few design. And I choose the design is also because I think very rare Singapore houses have the wainscoting like this. Maybe you can find it in condominium. And then moreover also my dream is actually my kitchen. I always dream to have an island in my new house. Definitely I will recommend it to all my relatives and also to my friends. This is the best, I think really the best one. And he understand what I want. That is important. He understand what I want, and he know how I feel, and also based on trust. Sometimes when I travel, I just leave the house more than about 2 weeks, and then and everything's done. Hi guys, thank you for watching.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.